my god, bro, this bird. This bird is like, oh, he just ran into the glass and then he's like, he ran into the glass. And then now I don't think he can get up. Don't put it in the house. You have the guts to touch that?
Oh god. No, I don't.
He has the guts to touch that?
Keep it right there.
Close the door, close the door. Arion, put it down.
No, I want to touch it.
You can touch it.
Stop.
Ah!
Stop the drop it. Put it.
What did How did the bird even run into the window in the first place?
How did it run in the window?
What kind of flying skills are that?
We're seriously saving the bird. Okay, stop.
What kind of flying skills is that? It's a bird. Don't put it in the house.
Go show Daddy a video and go.
Okay, no.
Let's show Daddy.
No, stop. Woo! Why would you do that?
Because it moved.
You just dropped the bird.
Birds do that, Corday.
Okay, good.
No.
Stop.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, hon, show me it through the glass window. Show me it through the glass window. Corday, show me it through the glass window. Oh my God. This bird. I don't know if YouTube can see that, but the bird. Oh, close it.
The tongue is broke off.
The what?
The tongue broke off.
Oh.
It's trying to tweet. I can hear it. You're trying to tweet?
Yeah. We're saving a bird.
What? Oh yeah, his tongue.
Corday, let's film that.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Guy.
Yeah.
So a bird just ran into the window, and Corday and Arion are grabbing it. Look at the poor thing. Look at that poor thing. Why aren't its parents here? Does it have parents?
What are you doing?
Saving the bird right now.
No.
You don't touch it.
We're not.
You're using a napkin.
How did you get it on the napkin? You have to touch it.
Go wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Hurry up.
I didn't touch anything. I did not touch
Go
it.
wash your
Go.
hands anyway. I don't care.
Just go.
Go wash your hands.